Flowers and Associates Real Estate Investing. Helping you achieve maximum returns through real estate. Here's just another evaluation video. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Entering property. Painting needs done. Carpet needs pulled. Look like electrical works. One bedroom here, and you have an entrance door here, which would be, if it hasn't been shut off, look like it's okay. Be able to enter here. That's one room. Stove, and look like the stove is intact. May have to replace the refrigerator. Repair here, really soft floor needs to be pulled up. Right here in the kitchen, real soft here. Bathroom intact, needs to be redone. Sink and cabinet is good. Basically, the flooring and some sheetrock work here needs to be squared away, taken apart. Back room needs to be painted, carpet pulled. Doors replaced, door replacement, back door is busted. That needs to be redone. Mostly doors and carpet and painting. This is 1, 2. Three, 4. Wood replacement, ceiling redone. Furniture removal. Closet here. 1252 Nicholas signing off.
If you would like to know more about how to receive 3 times the market rent for your properties, check out our free lessons at flowersandassociates.courses.